Welcome back. We're doing another chili game. This one we spin the disc. Apart from it's not spinning very well, so somebody's going to luck out. Oh no, it does. So we take it in turns to spin the disc and see what it says on the board. How many chocolates are in here?
12.
How many's got chili in?
4.
12 chocolates, 4 have got chilies in. 4, yeah.
It's not even been on the booze yet.
Who's going first?
You.
Right, so I better open these. Some like chocolate before. Right, let's get rid of that. Roll the sleeves up for this. Right. That's the pointer, obviously. Try if you dare eat that chili. So you just choose one, I suppose. That's just ordinary chocolate. 2 thumbs up. Who's
Go
next?
round we go. Me this time. Feeling lucky?
Eat that chili.
Eat that chili. Chocolate tastes nicer than the last one, I think.
Slightly better.
I'll say.
Spin it fast.
Oh, handle with. Nominate a player.
What's have to choose one?
Choose somebody to eat a chocolate.
Mum.
Oh, Sophia.
You're rotten.
You watch, bet she's the first one to get one.
yeah,
again.
yeah.
There you go.
What's on top? I should know that. It is.
Is it?
Yeah. Is that hot? Is that hot?
Fine.
Joe, it's your turn.
I can't believe that.
Don't bend it up.
Red hot or not, give a bite.
Here's, give me one of them.
Oh! Oh, it is one. Is it?
Knew it.
Oh, no, it's horrible.
Is it
I
hot?
was dribbling then, I can't even feel my mouth.
Is it hot?
Not really. Oh! That is disgusting.
Is it hot, Joe?
I've got to recover from the last
Is it spicy?
Not spicy, just horrible.
So, you've got no heat in your mouth?
A little bit, but give it a second. Poops up on you.
Mummy, do you
If
want
it
to
doesn't,
take...
then it's just not nice chocolate.
Tina, you have to take one. I'm going to have half of it because I don't have a big mouth, do I? I can't-
You'll have to bite it in half and then just shove the other half
Yeah.
in and chomp. Quick.
Pass it to your right. That's the chocolate in it. Can you get the milk up, please? And you got to pass one to the chocolate to the right.
No.
Are you sure? Yeah, because then you get one to pass it to your left. Only for the...
Can you get me milk,
cookies. Oh, I can't believe I got
Was
my
that
first
one
try.
a spicy treat? Pass it to your left. So I don't know if you've got to get a chocolate, so you pass it to the right.
What do you reckon?
Well, have you read the rules?
It doesn't say anything about that one.
Well, I don't know, it's up to you. Do it how you feel.
Oh, so I've got to have a chocolate and then spin it myself.
Yeah, why not?
Don't like the sound of
That
this.
got me out of that next one, didn't it?
Unless he gets passed to the left. Or nominate a player.
I think
You get
I know the only one that hasn't had one yet, haven't I? Lucky.
Do you know? Oh.
And yes.
We haven't had chili, we've just had
No,
chocolate.
I've had it. Oh, lucky.
No, that wasn't spicy. Right. It's to the right.
Did you get ordinary or spicy?
Just ordinary.
That looks like that's got spicy in.
No, I don't like that.
You reckon?
Yeah.
You might be right.
Because when you bite into them, you can actually taste. Because if you taste ordinary chocolate, and then
It's like normal to me, and then it comes in.
well, I bit into it and I could taste chili first thing into it, but not like, it was like not chili.
Not chili chili.
It was like a bit of gingerbread and
Gingerbread? I don't think you've got
gingerbread
chili.
and lots of stuff mixed in together.
There's either 2 or 3 left in there.
Taste it and then
Three.
normal
Is your
spice
mouth
like.
burning now?
Not much now.
I've got to eat another one.
Oh, it is good.
Good job, I like chocolate.
No. Just
No
normal.
normal one.
Normal.
Oh, I hope she gets a chili.
Oh, for God's sake.
What?
Pass to your left.
Oh, I'll spin it again.
Spin it again, yeah. I've got to eat another one. Turn up the treat. Treat the person opposite.
Okay, so I'm going to talk
You've got to eat one and then you've got to spin it.
Oh, seriously, I'll go
Good enough, alright you are. Don't worry, I should nominate you if I get it.
We'll get you some chocolate afterwards and I'll just dip it in a spicy sauce.
Ordinary.
You've got to spin it as well.
Oh yeah, you have.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
Nominate a player.
Sophia.
You're going to have to bite it in half and then just shove it all in your gob.
What's the next game?
Chew it.
Is it?
Bro. Bueno.
Did you think it was horrible?
Yeah. I think that one's quite spicy than the last. The other
The
day.
chocolate's not as bad as the other
Oh
night.
no, the chocolate's
Disgusting.
not.
No, it's
But the
Is
chili
it just not nice
spicier.
chocolate?
No, there's spice in there.
We'll swallow it quick and get your milk down your neck.
Get my milk
The
down
face has gone a little bit red.
So the 2 chili heads.
Who's had
Yeah.
I've had chili, you've had chili, have you had
Pass to
chili?
your right.
No, I haven't had chili.
I bet this one's going to be chili. Because all,
I can't eat this disgusting.
well, them two are going to be chili left of it. Or Ben's got
Well, they can't be because there's only 4.
Chili.
No,
Yeah, but, oh yeah, she's a, so one of
It's
them.
disgusting.
Or
Swallow it.
Yeah,
that.
you've got to swallow it. It's part of the game.
Spicy.
Just swallow it.
I did. I chewed mine and then swallowed it. Is yours normal?
Hmm.
So in theory, one of them's still got
One of
to be
those
in there.
2, yeah. Very hot or not.
Is it going to get it?
I now need to hear you say, oh, it's disgusting.
Mm.
Oh, kid.
That's chili then.
It's got to be the last one. Pass to my right.
Right,
It's
yeah.
not really fair.
I think she's still suffering over there.
You have
You
it.
want me to have it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So in theory,
that
do
should
you want me
be
to cut it in half?
No,
so
you
try
have
it
it.
as
No,
well?
no.
You sure?
No, you have it. Roll it.
So, it's on
There's
you.
no spice in it.
It's nice, yeah. I was going to say,
Don't mind.
No, you have it.
Tastes like a
poor Sophia over here is not suffering.
It's a bit like those Espelets. It's smoky. That's probably why it doesn't taste nice. You got.
It's not.
So there we go. Another chili chocolate game. This four got one. I didn't.
Did we get your birds off?
Nope.
I think you should.
So that was the result.
I think you should have one.
But where does it come from? Is it Dutch?
Well, it came from Caroline and Julian, so. The Netherlands, yeah.
Yeah, I think you crazy Dutch people need to work out what chilies go best with chocolate, because according to this lot, that was pretty rotten. For me, it was fine. So,
It just says chilli flavour.
chili flavour.
That's a 5.
So what? Whose video is this? Go on then, you lean in and do the... No, lean in and do the end bit.
5 for now.
No, got to do the whole spiel.
Wait, Mum.
Come on, lean in.
What's the rest of it? Don't forget to give a...
No. Hope you like this video.
Oh, alright then. Well, say it.
Come on,
Go then.
lean in. You do
Say
it.
it to the camera.
You got to lean into the table a bit more.
So the camera can see you.
Hope you like this
Hope you
video.
like this video.
Hi, I hope you liked this video.
Please click the thumbs up.
Please click the thumbs up, not down.
Comment
Comment
below.
down below.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
And it's
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
bye for now.